What's up everyone? Welcome back to another weekly dose of video. If you're new, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to join our community. Quick intro for this video. My name is Aldo, I'm a powerlifter and forex trader. And today I'm gonna share with you all what I eat in a day for my upcoming powerlifting competition, which will be in about 1 month and 2 weeks. Without wasting more time, let's get ready for breakfast since I'm starving. You guys gotta look at this. So creamy. You don't understand. If you don't eat cappuccino in the morning, I don't know, you're missing out. Alright, breakfast is ready. It's currently 8 a.m., about 8 a.m. Breakfast, as usual, it's egg whites, protein dessert, and cappuccino, and then also some peaches with syrup. And that's gonna be it. If you've been following for some time, you know that this is my standard breakfast. Also, today is a workout day, so I'm gonna be eating the calories of the on days, the training days, which are this. I'm gonna put somewhere on the screen, and the macros for this meal also in somewhere in the screen. Tomorrow I have to go to my gym's coach to do a live session together, but he told me it was available only in the morning. So today I have to work out in the morning in about I hope in about a hour if I'm really fast to get ready. I don't know if it's just me, but in the morning I feel very energetic in my workouts, even if I skip caffeine. If I don't take any caffeine or even creatine, that's why I'm not gonna take it in this meal. But I think I'm gonna take it at lunch, which will be my post workout meal. Today I have to do a quick grocery shop, so let's see if I can take you all with me. I think it's possible. I don't know yet how to record the actual process, but I'll figure it out when I get to the supermarket, which will be after lunch. So that's gonna be the plan for today. So this is technically the pre-workout meal. Nothing special actually. I'm not really big in pre-workout food. Let's eat this first. I like to eat them from the jar, and that's because we don't waste any syrup. I don't want to waste any syrup, so if I eat them from here, I can also take a lot of syrup. And I don't count them because been eating this for probably 3 months, maybe even more. And each peach is always the same. It's about 55 grams. So I'll take two, and that's 110. That's my that's my math. This in summer are gonna taste crazy. That's because they are very fresh from the fridge too. So really, really, really good. Anyway, I'm gonna finish up breakfast as soon as possible so I can get ready and get to the gym in time. So I will see you for lunch. Alright, currently just finished the first 2 liters of the day. Now I'm about to go do my NEAT, and then I'm done with the gym for today, and then I'll see you for lunch. Okay, so gym is done. Now we are heading home to have lunch. Finally, since I'm starving, I'm literally starving. I also figured I talk a little bit about my weight. This morning I weighed around 73.8 kilos, which is perfect. I'm still inside my category for the upcoming competition, and I think the aim is to maintain this weight till the midday. And then I will also show you my most recent physique check. I know you enjoyed that a lot. As you can see, I'm still pretty lean, and also there are still some muscles here and there. So yeah, let's go. Lunchtime. Okay, so we have chicken with some ketchup, then two desserts, because one is not enough. And then also I'm gonna drink some Pepsi Zero. So yeah, that's gonna be it. I wanted to talk to you all about a recent video that I posted, actually a short, which I'm gonna show you somewhere. This video got 25 comments, and that's really weird because fortunately, or maybe unfortunately, the video went viral, and really received a lot of hate. It's funny because my average viral shorts, gets around 5 to 6 comments at most, but this video got 25 comments, and the majority of them were hate comments. I don't know, I thought it was kind of a funny video. I basically made an edit around a person who got in front of my camera while I was benching and made a kind of a funny edit where I said, where I made it seem bad that the person walked in front of my camera, which, it's a bit annoying, but I still believe the gym is for everybody. So you could pay attention to where you are working, but it happens from time to time to, especially if you are working out, you're focused. It happens to work in front of someone's camera. That's fine. What I don't understand is that people really took it personally, very personally, and imagine they spend some minutes of their day to watch the video, go in the comment section, and write an hateful comment. And then there were also some people who actually got back to the video and wrote some other comments. If your day looks like this, I mean, it's a bit weird, and also, I guess this is the average day for an hater, right? Get up, watch some video, write some hateful comments, and then go on with your day. Very cool. I know I probably said this already many times, but you guys don't understand how excited I am to, look at the future and what I will be able to bring in my upcoming powerlifting competition. Workouts and test days are going very good, insanely good, I would say. So I really do expect a lot from myself. Since it's also, my second competition, I know how to move around a little bit better. So yeah, definitely this one. I'm really excited for this one. What we do first? Let's go with this. I was talking to a friend the other day, and the word placebo came up. And it's really interesting because I thought about this word and what it means. Talking about pre-workouts, if you know you don't really get any physical scientific benefits on the pre-workout you take, but you have that placebo effect, and there are a lot of research that show that placebo effect can have the same benefits as physical, real scientific effect. And that also shows how powerful is our mind and what we really believe in. So, for example, if a pre-workout doesn't really work that much, but you have that placebo effect kicks in, you basically believe you are God with that pre-workout. Does that make the pre-workout good or bad? Meaning, is it useful or not? And I really thought about it. You can really convince yourself of a lot of things, and that also will impact, can impact your physical capabilities. So I don't really buy that whole idea that, you know, be right or be useful. Most of the time, if it's useful, I think it's worth doing it, believing in it. So that's a really powerful thing, powerful tool. There's the saying, our beliefs shape our reality, and that's very true. I was thinking about this whole idea, and it really made sense to look for the useful thing rather than being right. I mean, in life in general, the example was the pre-workout that may or may not work, but you believe it works and you actually feel those benefits. So why not? Even if you're not right, we're still using the pre-workout that gives you that extra benefit. This was the example, but you can apply this for actually everything in life. If you think you can pull a very big idea off, like for business, for money in general, for anything in your life to accomplish your dreams. Like for example, one of my dreams is to own a lot of cars, a lot of supercars. Now, if I believe I don't have any possibilities to reach this kind of dream versus I believe I can absolutely reach this dream. Of course, belief or not must be backed by actions. That's literally the most important thing. But aside from that, if you believe you can or you cannot, both ways, you're going to be right. You're going to prove yourself right. You're going to search, look for the proof that no, you cannot make to that kind of level in the gym. Like you can list a lot of things that won't make you reach a, let's say, 150 kilos of bench press. Then on the other side, you can list or you can believe, you can convince yourself that if you work long enough, you are going to reach that weight. Who you think is going to reach actually that weight? The answer is pretty simple. Anyway, I'm going to finish up the ice cream and then I'll see you for. Oh, actually, I was forgetting about creatine, which I'm going to take probably Pepsi plus creatine. Would that work? I don't know. We are about to find out, I guess. Anyway, I'm gonna take creatine with the Pepsi, and then I'll let you know in the snack time if it was good or if it was a bad idea. And then finish up the ice cream, and that's gonna be it for lunch. See you snack time. Alright, boys and girls, this is snack time. I haven't gone to the supermarket yet, So after I finish this snack, which is protein powder and protein milk, and then a lollipop. So once I'm done, we're going to the supermarket. Currently editing this video. So yeah, cheers. I found that the chocolate flavor of this protein I'm using, it holds very good. I told you all in the most recent full day of eating that protein powder, after some time, the taste gets nasty. And I don't know if it's just my protein powder or every protein powder does this. I found the chocolate flavor, which I think is the most standard and basic flavor. It really holds. It's been maybe a month. They're almost done, and the flavor still holds pretty well. Also, I forgot to let you know how creatine plus Pepsi went, and I gotta say it was pretty good. I mean, creatine doesn't really have any taste, so I think it goes well with pretty much anything. Enough rambling. I'm gonna finish up the snack, and I will see you inside the supermarket. Find the berries up here. Alright, first time. Carrots. I'm really liking these baby carrots, so I'm gonna buy those one. Boy, they already have the Easter eggs. Damn. Look at this. Not today, unfortunately. Some popcorn. Gotta be honest, these are addictive. Now onto the meat. Chicken salad. Yup. Oh wait a minute. Yeah. And now the fun part. I'm gonna take all the meat they have. I'm gonna steal all the meat they have. I mean, really. I didn't left anything. I didn't left anything for you. Nice. For the burgers. I mean, do I really have to say it? When you get to this section, you're really tempted to buy like anything, especially this one. They're for my brother, and yeah, he only drinks these kind of things. The caffeine addiction spread out really well to the other members of the family, so he drinks this as cafe, and yeah, he drinks a lot of them. So Probably one more. I just found this ice cream, pistachio. I'm gonna try it out, and macros are very good actually. It only has 6 fats, so yeah, I'm gonna try this. I'm gonna try this out, and let's see. Grocery shopping is done. I gotta say, it was a bit weird, but we made it. Now when I get home, I will show you everything I got, and yeah, we'll see from there. All right, let's unpack everything. Chicken salad, burger number 1, 2, 3, 4, then noodles. Those are really addictive, I gotta be honest. Then ice cream, carrots, the buns for the burger, lollipops, chicken burgers, a lot of monsters, I don't even know, and finally a bag of popcorn. And that's it. I will see you for dinner time. Alright, last meal of the day. Macros somewhere on the screen. We also got the last bottle of the day to reach, I don't know, surely above 4 liters. Carrots, a dessert, ice cream, a burger. Getting very good at cooking these. Okay, so time to test this ice cream. Huh. Oh shoot. Okay. Hmm. Alright, this is like pistachio. Nothing special. Hmm. Still pretty good. Let's finish up the water for today. And that's goal completed, goal achieved. The video ends here. Hope you guys enjoyed watch me eating, basically, and hope you learned something. Like and subscribe for more, and I'll catch you in the next one.